Students, our today's topic on medicinal plants. Today we study introductory knowledge of medicinal plant. Medicinal plants. Medicinal plants are those plants which are rich in secondary metabolites and are very potential source of various types of drugs. These secondary metabolites, different types like alkaloids, glycosides, coumarins, flavonoids, and steroids. Medicinal plants also vary some useful chemical compounds which use as a support of official medicine like the treatment of complex cases like cancer disease. These types of medicinal plant products very helpful as a preventive medicine. It has been proven that the components of the plants also characterized by their ability to prevent the appearance of some disease. This will help to reduce the use of chemical remedies which will be used when the disease is already present. Importance and scope of medicinal plant in India. India is a well-known of the few countries where almost all the known medicinal plants can be cultivated in some part of the country or the other. Among the various plants is great demand in the country and abroad are opium, poppy, tropane alkaloid like psyllium, cinchona, etc. The ancient Indian system of medicine is predominantly a plant-based like book on materia medica, making use of most of our native plants. Indian system of medicine offer most appropriate of first line therapy against many diseases like jaundice, asthma. India has about 2000 species of medicinal plant and vast geographical area with high production potential. India is already a major exporter of medicinal plants. It is estimated that around 86 crore worth of raw materials and drugs from medicinal plants are exported from India. How we utilize this knowledge of about medicinal plant? First of all, document indigenous use of medicinal plant. Then certify raw material for quality control. Develop and improve the agrotechnology for valuable medicinal plants and their cultivation. Officially recognize and protect the customary laws of indigenous peoples. Use of medicinal plants, various types of plant parts used as a medicinal purpose like seeds, other plant parts, leaf, bark, root, seed, etc. may be for the use as a medicinal purpose. History of medicinal plants. Medicinal plants are used as a source of drugs for the treatment of various human and livestock health disorders all over the world from ancient time to the present day. A total of around 2.50 lakh species of flowering plants are referred to as a medicinal plant. What is medicinal plants? The term refers to plants like trees, herbs, fresh or dried, utilized in any forms of medicinal use which are thought to be proven to be promote well-being or produce cures. In general, any plant whose roots, leaves, seeds, bark, or plant part is used for therapeutic, tonic, purgative, or other health promoting purposes. They are all known as medicinal plants. In this list we some common medicinal plants. Amla like Phyllanthus amblica, Basaka, Datura, bell, garlic, botanical name Allium sativum, onion, Arjun, Terminalia arjuna. In ancient Indian herbal medicine knowledge are dates back several thousand years to Rigved, the collection of Hindu sacred values. This is the basis of healthcare system known as Ayurvedic medicine. One useful plant that has come from Ayurvedic tradition is known as snake root, Rauwolfia serpentina. Another name is Sarpgandha. Description of plants, directions on the preparation, use and side effects. Many which in still use willow bark tree. Medicinal knowledge of plants also found in ancient Greek and Roman. Greek physician Hippocrates, known as the father of medicine, used various herbal remedies in his treatments. Roman physician Dioscorides wrote a famous book, De Materia Medica, which contained an account of around 600 species of plants with their medicinal value. In India, traditional systems separate from Western medicine system. All 8 universities medical students are trained in Western medicine. Most people use traditional systems also. Ayurvedic medicine, Hindu origin, Unani medicine, Muslim and Greek origin. Some other areas. Interest in medicinal plant has focused on indigenous peoples in many parts of the world. Ethnobotany and ethnobotanists are spending time with local tribes and learning their medical knowledge before they are lost forever, especially important among native peoples in the tropical rainforests. The most common plant part and product which used by medicinal plants and obtained from medicinal plants is known as the secondary plant products and secondary metabolites. These secondary plant products and secondary metabolites majorly categorized in two types, alkaloids and glycosides. Other types of compounds are also important like essential oils. The sum of the important medicinal plants like foxglove, Digitalis purpurea, willow bark tree, useful in pain and fever, fever bark tree, most known as a cinchona, helpful in malaria, snake root, sarpgandha, aloe, very helpful in burns and cuts, vinca rosea, taxus, obtained from taxol. Fever bark tree, Cunene cinchona, native to the eastern slopes of Andes mountain. Several species of cinchona, small evergreen tree, belong to family Rubiaceae. Fever reducing powers of the tree very well known to the Incas who shared knowledge with Jewish missionaries. The drugs obtained from cinchona is a quinine. In 1822, two French scientists isolated the alkaloid quinine. Within a few years, purified quinine was available commercially. Demand for the bark increased even more. Around 36 alkaloids in cinchona bark have anti-malarial properties, in which quinone is the most effective type. Quinine is very effective against malaria. Malaria, known since antiquity, is still world's most prevalent disease. Today, malaria largely confined to tropical and subtropical countries. Another one is one plant, aloe vera. One novel folk remedy is used